Okay, let's make some Hibiscus Radiatus tea. It's time to harvest the Hibiscus Radiatus to make tea. Look at all these flowers. The way that I harvest Hibiscus Radiatus is by taking these spent flowers. They're much easier to get out of the flower pod. A lot of them are just laying around, even way down here on the ground. I'll get a couple hundred of these today. The heat and humidity is getting kind of intense. It's November, but this is Florida. So I'm going to call it a day. That's not a bad harvest on the first day. Those things are literally everywhere you look. The first harvest of the year for Hibiscus Radiatus. We got 3 layers for the dehydrator. I'm going to dehydrate this at 110 degrees, and I'm going to do this for 12 hours. I dried the Hibiscus Radiatus flowers for 12 hours on 110 degrees. I've crushed them up a little bit. I like to do that before I put them away for storage. Now I can make a cup of tea for the intro to this video, and I'll finally have some flowers to make kombucha out of, which is another video.